Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am about to retwist my husband's hair, so I thought I would do a quick video on Loc Moisture. In my last video, I mentioned using rose water to re-moisturize my hair in between washes or oil treatments. So that's what I'm going to use to retwist his hair. You only need 2 ingredients. It's very simple, but you need just a spray bottle. That's not an ingredient, but of course you'll need that. You need rose water. This is the kind that I use, Heritage Store. I get it from Amazon. And you'll also need vitamin E oil. So I saw this moisturizing technique on YouTube a few years ago. I saw a couple people post about it. So since it's natural ingredients, I decided to try it, and it does work, and I've been using it for a few years now. So all you do is you would use well, the ratio depends, so you just test it out if you want to try it. Some people say 50% rose water, 50% vitamin E oil. For me, that's too thick to get through my spray bottle, so I usually use about 75% rose water and 25% vitamin E oil. And all you do is, when you feel like your locks are dry, just spritz it all over your locks, and it'll help to keep your hair moisturized. And you can do that 1 or 2 times a week, or just whenever you feel like it. Right now I'm going to use it just to moisturize my husband's roots, because he just washed his hair today, but his hair is already dry, and I never want to retwist hair on dry hair, or retwist I never want to retwist on dry hair. That just don't feel right or sound right. But okay, always retwist your hair when it's damp, not when it's dry, because I feel like you'll break your hair. You get that? Hopefully so. Alright, so that's just a quick tip. So yeah, try that out if your locks are dry and you just want to add moisture before you can get to an actual oil treatment or anything like that. Alright, well that's all that I have for you today. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Peace.